Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my butter naan bread. If you want to see, keep watching. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you are old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So let's get started. So the ingredient is gonna be 2 cups of plain flour, half cup of warm water, half cup of warm milk, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 3 tablespoon melted butter, half teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoon sugar. Okay, in the flour we're going to add a dry ingredient first, which is gonna be sugar, salt, and dry yeast. Then we're going to combine the ingredients, making a small space in the center of the bowl to bring wet ingredients. Okay, now I'm going to add my wet ingredients, which is butter, water, and milk. Okay, now slowly mix the ingredients using your spatula. You can go with your hands, that's fine. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. And then when it's everything combined, I'm going to go ahead and knead my dough with my hands until it's nice and smooth. So guys, sometimes it can be difficult to measure flour. If you think your dough is too soft, you can go ahead and add more flour. If it's hard, don't hesitate to add some water. You just have to sprinkle some water, that's fine, because flour is really soft. Sometimes when we measure, it's not coming exactly the quantity which it should be. So now I'm going to be transferring my dough in the working surface, where I'm going to be nicely kneading. To come out with a nice and soft bread naan, you have to take time and knead your dough very well. It's going to take about 5 to 8 minutes maximum. So my dough is done. This is how it should be. Look how soft is that. So now I'm going to place in the mixing bowl and rub some oil both sides, and I'm going to cover and let it rise for about 1.5 hours, or if you have time you can leave it for about 2 hours. Okay guys, so it's after 2 hours. Just punch to remove excess air that is in the dough, and then I'm going to sprinkle some flour in the working surface. Divide the dough in 4 medium balls. So what I'm doing here, I'm just putting the dough together so that when I divide it, the balls is going to be nice and smooth also. After that, you just have to dip the dough in the dry flour so don't stick in the working surface. Then you have to flatten, and I'm sorry guys because that part didn't come out where I was flattening the dough, and I don't know why the camera was not recording. And I use this fork to make the holes that you see here. And now just brush some milk on top, and you're going to sprinkle some white seeds. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to place my bread in the pan. My pan is already hot, and you have to wait for a few seconds to dry. You will see on top of the naan it's gonna start bubbling. It's the time you have to flip it over, and you're going to let it cook at the side as well until it's like dry and start bubbling as well. Then we're going to brush some butter on top, and you flip it over to the same other side. So you can use spoon to do that, because I don't mind my hands. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use spoon to press it down to make sure everywhere is well cooked and it's light golden. So guys, at this point bread naan is done. This is how it should be. You have to place in the dish towel and cover while you are finishing the rest. So I'm done cooking. This is how I'm making my butter naan bread. So if you did like this video, don't forget to give it immense thumbs up. Just give it immense thumbs up right now. Give it, guys. Share with family and friends, and comment down below what you guys think about this recipe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao ciao.